Many people, when they come here for the first time, there's the sense that they're walking into a land that's been preserved and untouched for generations. And the truth is this land has been managed for thousands and thousands of years by the Yurok, the Tolowa, and the other tribes that have lived on the northern coast of California for centuries. A little over 100 years ago, as the Western migration came to the area, they began intensive logging in this area, and there are large swaths of what is now Redwood National and State Parks that were completely clear-cut, just completely denuded of all the trees. Everything used to look like what you see behind me, but 2/3 of that was lost. And a lot of it was replanted with aerial seeding. And what that meant is when the trees came in, they were all the same age, the same height, and they grew in these very heavy patterns that we often refer to as dog hair because it's so thick that even humans can't walk and navigate through it, let alone the elk and the bears and some of the bigger wildlife that live in the area. In recognition of that, there are several organizations that came together to launch an initiative called Redwood Rising. And Redwood Rising is an effort to go in those overgrown areas and thin it out, actually remove a lot of the trees so it opens up and allow nature to begin the process of restoring itself so that everything eventually will look like what you see behind me again. Redwood National State Parks is an amazing partnership across agencies and communities. Everybody that comes here just falls in love with the trees. It's hard to explain what these trees will mean to you on a personal level, but even people that have been here before, they have their favorite trees. When you come here, you make those connections, you feel this affinity and you want to protect it for yourself and for future generations, and that's really what we're all about, is making sure that we enjoy it today, but people a generation from now, 20 generations from now, will still be able to come back here and preserve it so that it can be an icon now and into the future.